What's going down, y'all? It's your boy Raz, man. On the way I see it, we about to check out this little this A Millie. I think it's how you pronounce bro's name. That's what I would say, A Millie. I mean, it could be a Millie, it could be we probably would say a Millie here. You know what I mean? But I imagine that's like A Millie or I Millie or some shit like that. But he got a song called Bronxx, and I think it's a Jamaican trap dancehall type artist. So I don't know. We're gonna check it out. Let's see what's going on. 205,000 views. So he got something going on.
Plastic and plastic yard. A shipment just land all over. A drop top couple gal in the charger. Call my daddy and this one the father. A pretty girls like chop and that I know your man couple card. For I'm coming naga gam chain every shabba and score like now the Bronx yesterday pan her knees and she have to give thanks. Daisy watch how me deal with it. And if she not run the pussy I know me she see. Lifestyle expensive like pay it. A V6 pan the 12 can't see. I just me flow them, I watch 220 on the door, them I press them, I crash them time expensive, I'm a glow, and I watch she half a day, with the slap me every time she give me top. Plastic and plastic yard, a shipment just land all over, a drop top couple gal in the charger, call my daddy and this one the father.
Okay, I'm picking up a little bit. I mean, you know, I definitely heard him say shit, but just landed like, okay, my boy, you out here doing what you know. If anybody can help me though, what does it mean when you like charged up? Like that just mean like you got it, like you got the juice or some shit, like you that nigga or something? Is that what charged up mean? Or like they get into it or something? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to pick up the lingo and see, you know, what motherfuckers really be talking about in these songs. But yeah, let me know what charged up mean. I'm picking up a little bit. It's kind of hard to understand, bro, for me. That's why I like the dudes who don't use so much auto tune. For that's one thing too. If y'all ever get wind of this in Jamaica, I know y'all not like really trying to like cater to us over here, but we do like the music. It's just hard for us to understand it fully. So sometimes like the auto tune, you got the patois that we certain motherfuckers around the States grew up around that, so they already know, they already tapped in with it, they can understand it fully. And then you got other people like that's gotta kind of pick up on it. We from the hood too, so we speak a little bit different than typically Americans quote unquote might speak, but still like we pick up what you putting down. It's just with the auto tune over top of it and everything like mixed in, it's harder to understand. And then you got the slang and shit, so we trying to pick up the slang, we trying to pick up the lingo, you know what I'm saying, the syllables too. One thing I noticed with the patois or the Jamaican accent is that they pronounce some words there. It'll be like two words is the word. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't think of an example offhand right now. But then another word, they'll say every syllable in the word, like technically, like, you know what I'm saying? So it take time for us to like pick up that those three syllables was one word, because we had smashed some shit together. Like, we'd be like, technically. You feel me? Or you know what I'm saying? It might even slide quicker than that depending on what end of the the state you from. But whatever, man. Let me know what's up. Let me know some of this slang, and then like charged up, and then yeah.
A pretty girls like chop and that I know your man couple card. For I'm coming naga gam chain every shabba I'm sure like now the Bronx yesterday pan her knees and she have to give thanks. Christian Dior, I'm like I'm Mary. Rich pan the door, let me reach pan the ferry. Christmas come early, cause that's called half a Mary. She try slip a condom for coming her belly. Sell the money half already, me deposit pan a sell it. A bit kind if you just ask a bank telly. Before those shit for the girl, they never steady. Yeah. Plastic and plastic yard. A shipment just land all over. A drop top couple gal in the charger. Call my daddy and this one the father. A pretty girls like chop and that I know your man couple card. For I'm coming naga gam chain every shabba I'm score like now the Bronx yesterday pan her knees and she have to give thanks. Them attack, I just flow them. I watch 220 on the door, them I press them. I cash every time expensive. drop top and at the trap, put a switch on the Glock. We do it easily, watch out my deal with it.
Alright.
Room night, friends got for looking at it. Yo, drop top, darker than last night. Watch you hear them attack, I just my flow them watch.
Okay, that's what's up, bro. I heard him say he put a switch on the Glock too. I was like, okay. So they got switches out there too, huh? Shoo. We don't need them anywhere, boy. Them motherfuckers is tearing the whole area community up. But yeah, man, that was cool. Oh yeah. What is Jabdon? Is that, I gotta look this up, man. I'm gonna have to look that up because I know that must be a person. I'm assuming. Jabdon. It might be something going over my head too. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I just really got privy to this whole movement. You know what I'm saying? Like, I knew, like, I didn't even know about the trap dance hall. Like, I assume, you know what I'm saying? It's hoods everywhere and it's young niggas everywhere. So I assumed that they was doing rap, but how I stumbled on it, you know what I'm saying? I got it in another video where you can see how I stumbled across the whole genre, but you know what I'm saying? Shit, it's going, man. It caught my attention for sure. I think it'll catch a lot of people's attention too. Like I said, because everybody might not be willing to put in the effort that I'm willing to put in, or that I feel, I don't know, I guess that I want to put in. I don't know. I like it. So I'm learning about it, and I'm willing to put in that effort to learn about it because I like it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody might not be willing to put in that effort, but it's a cool genre, man. It's a cool little, wave that they got going on, and they got a lot of people already on it. Jamaica, I think they said Jamaica got like 3 million people, so something like that. I can't remember, but yeah, they got a whole thing they got going on. So hell yeah, shout out to these boys, man. Y'all keep doing your thing out there. I'll check you on the next one.